The enactment of bills by the Sarawak government during the current Dun sitting is aimed at providing benefits comprehensively and not favouring any particular group. Sarawak Premier Dato' Padan Yee Abang Zohari said among them, the Land Code Amendment Bill 2025 seeks to make land trust administration more structured.
It doesn't mean it is based on religion, no. It is just a system, administrative system, so that you can register your land. Dan juga kita sudah menggunakan digitalization. Banyak transaksi kita yang menggunakan dokumen digital. Dan maka undang-undang kita kali ini membolehkan penggunaan digital untuk kita menguruskan apa juga pentadbiran mengenai dengan tanah. Khususnya sidak konsultan yang telah diberi kerja-kerja ini termasuk land surveyor.
He spoke at the Gabungan Parti Sarawak GPS Backbenchers Appreciation Night held at the Dun Complex on Tuesday. On the Sarawak Biodiversity Centre Amendment Bill 2025, Dato' Padan Yee Abang Zohari noted that it would allow the Sarawak Biodiversity Centre SBC to commercialise the results of its research. In this regard, he expressed appreciation to the Sarawak Legislative Assembly for passing the bills, which he described as crucial for the region's development.